Welcome back, folks, and all master designers out there. Tonight we're going to draw Mr. Frosty from the new Kirby video game. Mr. Frosty is the second boss that you unlock after you beat Hornhead in the first fight. And to be honest, well, I see that Mr. Frosty and Hornhead might be buddies. Anyway, I better hurry this up because I've got 5 footage on my SD card. There we go. Now we draw the overalls. Whoops. Here's one of the buttons here on his shorts. Yeah? Alexa, stop.
So, you subscribe to Alexa for this expensive plan? You can't. You have to she's going to re-ask you, and you have to subscribe to single monthly for $3.99.
What do you mean by that?
You're not doing the $10 plan without my permission. It's a $3.99 plan.
Okay.
So when she asks you, if you say it's the single monthly $3.99. Okay. Yeah.
There we go. Here are the stitches here. Alexa, resume playing.
To move music across
Alexa,
devices,
resume playing.
To move music across devices, you'll need to upgrade your subscription. Go to Settings in your Amazon Music app to upgrade to the Amazon Music Unlimited individual plan.
Great. Just great. There we go. That's how you draw Mr. Frosty. And finished. That is how you draw Mr. Frosty. To find out more on what characters you want me to draw next in the comments below, and to find out which characters are going to be in store for the next episode, please leave a comment below. Anyway, I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.